Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Here's your Weather Xtreme video for Sunday, February 24th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. After a long day and a long night, the rain is finally gone. But not before some impressive rainfall totals across parts of Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee. How about these totals right here? Look at that, 10 to 15 inches in the bright pink or magenta color there from north central Mississippi to the northeastern corner of that state, even into Colbert, Lauderdale, and Franklin counties in Alabama and southern Tennessee as well. Some spots in Mississippi over 15 inches of rain. Tupelo, 3 daily record rainfalls in a row, and now standing at their 4th wettest month ever, certainly their wettest February. Here in Birmingham, we continue to run above normal now, over 12 inches above normal for the past 365 days. You go back and look at the time series, you see that we started out a year ago in March a little above normal. Got a little dry there through early April, but by mid-April we were off and running, and rainfall surpluses just have continued to grow. Even though we had a few days there of dry weather, drier than normal weather for 3 or 4 weeks there between mid to late January, mid to late February. Now, severe weather, we dodged a bullet here in Alabama. Really, 2 long track supercells producing much of the damage reports from central Mississippi into the northeastern parts of that state. One curved through Columbus, Mississippi, hitting the downtown area. Significant tornado damage there. Also produced tornado damage near in Lamar County, near Hytology. Also, a couple of tornadoes, including some fairly photogenic ones, spotted, really probably one tornado, up there in the northeastern corner of the state west of Iuka. Of course, National Weather Service survey teams will be out later today surveying the damage from those tornadoes. Now, clearing skies across the area this morning. We'll have full sunshine by mid to late morning, depending on where you are. But the mercury will have a hard time rebounding during the day today, probably falling slowly for the most part. Falling through the 50s. Areas southeast of Alex City may still see some 60s this afternoon. Most folks, though, staying in the 50s. With clear skies tonight, it'll turn chilly. Overnight lows tonight near freezing in the Tennessee Valley. North central Alabama, colder spots might see freezing. But for most of us, we'll be in the probably 34 to 38 range overnight tonight. Across central Alabama. Model fans, let's go day by day using the GFS. This is Monday at noon, showing high pressure and control of Alabama's weather. The nearest rainfall to the state by noon tomorrow should be off the Florida Keys, or maybe that snow there over northern Iowa. Now, Tuesday looks pretty much the same. We'll see 60s or low 60s on Monday, middle 60s on Tuesday. We should stay dry during most of the day on Tuesday, but by Tuesday evening, an approaching upper-level disturbance will bring another chance of rain to Alabama. Probably in that 6 to midnight range it'll begin. Kind of spit and sputter through the overnight hours through Tuesday as well. A few showers in the forecast. Staying in there till Thursday. We see Thursday noon a stronger disturbance passing. Rain becoming a little more widespread. Still not very heavy and not extremely widespread, but enough to make things wet for Thursday. And it looks like a cold front gets its act together by Friday. Moves a good band of rain through here Friday night into early Saturday. We'll be watching that closely. Probably a few storms involved with that, but not expecting anything really significant in the severe weather department or the major flooding department. But another 1.5, 2 inches of rain might fall through this week. And if it does, that could exacerbate the flooding situation. Now, nicer weather for the weekend. Saturday dry, turning cooler. High temperatures in the 50s. We'll be in the 20s probably Sunday morning. I wouldn't be surprised if that happened in many locations, and it might struggle to get out of the 40s on Sunday afternoon. So we'll be watching that very carefully. And as we go through voodoo territory, get out toward the end of the period, get another little rainfall event right there at the 10-day mark. But look toward the end of the period. This is an extended period of rain that moves into Alabama and the deep south again, and it could rival this last one. These are rainfall totals over the 2-week period off the GFS, showing again those 6 to 15-inch rainfall amounts. Mountains of North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, northern Georgia, but also in some of the same areas across northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, maybe even into southern Tennessee. So we'll be watching that very closely. So we're glad all the flash flood watches are gone, all the severe weather is gone. We'll enjoy a nice couple of days, and we'll be keeping an eye out toward the end of the period for the potential for more flooding for Alabama. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday morning, February the 24th. James will have the two-a-days all week, the coming week. Scott Martin will be back next Saturday, and until I see you again next Sunday morning, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.